So the criminal always try to go back to the crime scene, you know that?
I brought him.
Is this one right?
Yep. I told you, bro, it's not from
No,
the
it
picture.
Dave, what did you guys run it on? It was not scratched or anything.
Yeah, I didn't write it. It's been put in the garage the same way I got it.
He can't run it. He doesn't have anything.
I have a slash. I can't even run this battery.
Told you, it's not. It's that one. And it wasn't. Look, it looks bad in the camera.
No, it's scratched here. Look at it in the video.
Oh
It's
yeah,
on
it was on
fucking
the
battery.
Yeah,
thing
but
that I had.
that's nothing, bro. Come on, look. It looks way bad. Yeah, I know. It looks worse. I thought it's.
Stay here. Don't move an inch.
Where's Can I grab my stuff, bro? Oh yeah, check the voltage.
You want a cigarette? I mean.
Yeah, I want to smoke. I want to pee on my shit. Oh, you have to open it.
Yeah, you
now
open.
check it. Right there. Yeah. 26 too. Yeah.
Did he have the part that? Did you ask him? The middle.
Check.
So you thought that you're gonna be smart to steal from me?
No.
So why did you do that?
I don't even know. I was fighting with my girl. I did a lot of stupid shit.
You stay there.
Yeah, let me get my stuff.
Yeah, go.
Yeah.
You see that you cannot even leave the door without me opening the door for you?
Mm-hmm.
You see there's cameras over there, there's a camera over there.
Oh, my bad. I don't know why the fuck I took it. My girl. I don't have.
You know
nothing
that
to
you
do with
are all over the internet right now, right? You know that like there is 10,000 people watch the video of you stealing it, including your bosses that you're gonna be in the future, your girlfriend, your mom, all your friends will see that you are stealing stuff from stores, trying to help you. You could have asked and I would fucking give it to you. Tell me I don't have money, I really want to play.
I'm telling you, I don't even know why I took it. That was my fuck up. I fucked up.
I have enough of dealing with people like you and I always catch them. Go watch on my YouTube, I always catch the people stealing stuff. And if I wouldn't catch you here, I will catch you over there in the field.
That was my bad, dog. I don't know. My girl fucking stressed me out. I don't even know why I did that. I hate stealing. I swear
I'm
to God.
still missing another thing. I'm missing another thing that probably your friend steal.
No.
Another thing, another cooler for engine.
No. I swear to God.
All right,
he
together
doesn't
with
even have
this.
RCs.
I put it there, disappear after you guys gone.
He doesn't even have RCs. Look at your cameras. I swear to God, the only thing he came with me because he was my ride, but he doesn't have RCs. He's not even into that.
You guys never come back to this area. You understand me? You don't bring friend hairs. I'm not your friends. I'm not your customer. I'm nothing. You guys not coming here.
Okay.
You're not getting close to this area. If I will see you walking outside here, you will have a problem. You understand me?
Yeah.
I have cameras all around. I have camera on the other side of the street.
Okay.
You have your picture here. You see on the window. This is your picture when you sit here like an idiot. I took this. And I look, yes, this is the guy that's stealing from me.
Okay, now that I gave that back, can you take that off?
No, it will stay there.
I will never come back here again.
It will stay there. You know why? Because there is here Armenian heritage and all came. And so, yeah, we know this guy. Your people.
I gave that back to you. If you can, please. I was a man of my word. I told you. I brought
You're
it.
man of your word. How about all the time? I just lost 2 hours of work on my customer stuff, waiting for you, watching your friend over here. Just because you guys decided that you can come and steal stuff.
That's not what I had in mind. I'm telling you, I fucked up on that because my girl was stressing me out. I fought with her, whatever. That has nothing to do with you, though.
My girl's stressing me out too. You don't see me like going and stealing stuff, right?
That's what I'm saying. I fucked up. That was my bad. It'll never happen again. I don't even like stealing, period.
I don't care. You never get close to this area again. You hear me? You never get close to this area. Then you're gonna have a serious problem with me. A very serious problem.
Okay.
And if you think that you're just gonna go and do something and you're not paying attention, look around you. There is cameras.
I don't even care about the cameras. I just don't like stealing, period. I'm telling you, I don't know why the fuck I even took it. It doesn't even fit on my shit. I don't know why I did it.
You see the airplane there? It did not fly for a month now. You stole it at April 4. For 1 month it's sitting there. When I'm the owner of the shop and I cannot fly because of your fuck up. Instead of showing people how it's fly and sell more. I could not do that because of you.
Alright, that's it.
That's it. Get the hell out of here. And I'm telling you, if you ever get close here, okay? And I guarantee and ask him who I am, because he know very good, and he probably will tell you right now on the drive home. He will tell you very good who I am. Everybody that stole stuff, broke into the shop, we always catch them. We always put them in their place. You have luck that he's with you right now. You have luck that he's with you.
Okay.
If not, you wouldn't walk on two legs right now.
Okay, you don't have no brake pads you want to sell?
I don't have, you're not gonna buy from me anything, you understand? Don't run your mouth.
Okay, just open the
You
door.
don't have shit. I'm not gonna sell you anything. Okay? I don't need your money.
Okay, just open the door then.
No, not suddenly you want to go. You see how comfortable it
Oh, I
is?
need my ID though.
Your ID. I have all your information. I have where you live.
Okay, I know. I can tell you where I live.
No, I know exactly where you live.
Okay.
I'm gonna research right now about your girlfriend, about your mom, about your dad, about your neighbors. If I ever gonna fucking see you in this area again,
I'm not gonna come here again, bro.
if you're ever gonna try anything again, I'm gonna go to all those people until I find you. You understand me? And now he will tell you who I am.
Okay, you don't have to embarrass me like that. Cause
Yes,
thought
I
this
am,
was
because you stole from me, and I will embarrass you. I will embarrass you.
Alright, let me see my license.
Take your license and get the hell out of here.
Open door.
So, what did you witness right now? This fool that was stealing stuff in our shop decided that he came back. The only mistake that he did, he came with another friend that I know that is already a customer of mine. This friend of them that came with him right now is not the same guy from the first video. I held him over here for 2 hours by the time that this guy go in and get in my stuff back. So far, anybody that broke into the shop, stole stuff, we always catch them, and we always will. Because I have zero tolerance. I work for my customer, my paying customer, the people that want to bring kids here and be in a safe environment. People like him are not safe environment. He worry about those right now on my windshield over here. He's worried people seeing this right now because he's a criminal and he don't like it. And his excuse is that he fought with his girlfriend. This is why he need to steal. So just so you know, we caught him. He's done. He's never going to get close to this area. And I will make sure that all the other shop in the area will see this guy. Because again, I have enough of people that come and steal. I'm working very hard to keep this business open and to give you guys decent prices on everything, cheaper than the internet, just so you guys can actually have a toy today, not wait 2 or 3 days. And when people like him come and steal, we're not going to be able to keep the prices low if we need to pay for stuff getting stolen out of our shop. We have to make some profit to pay for that. So please, share this video with all your friends. I want people to see this guy. I want him to be humiliated as much as possible. Because we have the rights to do that. When they come and steal, when they hurt us, we can hurt them back. See you on my next video.